Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Porsche's indoor car cover. I bought this car cover for the GT4 because I want to keep the dust off, and we picked it up from Suncoastparts, but this is the indoor car cover from Porsche. And I always mispronounce this, like, it's called tech equipment. Anyways, so in this video, this is what we're going to do. We're going to just show you the car cover, like in the bag, show you real quickly the material and the color, and then we're going to put it on the car. But what I did is I did some research after reading that people were kind of upset, not with this car cover, but just with indoor car covers in general, that the tires mark up the indoor car cover. So what I thought of is we went to Lowe's and we picked up some plastic drop cloth, and what we're going to do is we're just going to cover the wheels up. Now, I know a lot of you guys are thinking like, man, that's a lot of work. But we want to be able to protect our indoor car cover, keep it nice, and by doing this, I think it's going to accomplish that. All right, guys, let's get started. So let's put the plastic on the wheels. Okay, so we have the plastic drop cloth on the wheels. I think it's a great idea. It is experimental. We are just trying something out. We did to take into consideration that the back is ventilated. This isn't like thrown on there, like it's not like on there hard. It's just lightly draped over the wheels, which I think is gonna solve our problem. All right, let's go ahead and put on the car cover. Okay, so let's look at this bag. It's nice, it's thin, it's pretty simple. All right, we're gonna open it up. And inside here, we have the car cover. All right, let's take it out. I'm gonna set this down here. And the car cover has like this ivory looking tan color, and the material feels pretty soft overall. Actually, this is the outside material, but the inside material is a lot softer. Let's see if there's a tag here. It says 100% polyester, made in Romania. All right, okay, let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. All right, guys, we have the car cover on and it looks fantastic. Not only does it look fantastic, but now the dust is gonna stay away. Another thing I noticed is if you look over here, when you're putting it on and if you barely touch it, you'll be able to make contact with the tire. It's a little more pronounced in the rear because of the offset, but we have that taken care of. As a matter of fact, yeah, you could see where the car cover would have made contact with the wheel, but we were able to mitigate that with the plastic drop cloth. But essentially that plastic is covering that, and I think it was a great solution. Well, guys, I'm a big fan of it. I always love to do things that take care of a car and take care of the things that we love. Well, thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Always welcome to subscribe to the channel. And as always, also, thank you for watching. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.